So we got this car seat from a customer. She said her daughter came back from a party and on the way home threw up in it. So as you can see, they try to clean it, but there's still some remnants, especially right in here. Still some remnants of that vomit right here in this crack and all that kind of stuff. So they said this one's been sitting in their garage for quite some time because they weren't too comfortable in putting their child in this, which is extremely understandable. So we're gonna steam it up, sanitize it, and get this back to them ASAP so they can use it again. No need to spend money on a car seat and it's had a commission the whole time. You feel me? Results after sanitizing, after steaming, after wiping it down, quality control, everything else. Look, all them throw up spots gone. Every last little stain that there was, gone. Sanitized. Cup holders, bam. Other one, bam. Come on up here. Woo! Look at this, man. Looks amazing, bro. All right. Until next time, y'all.